Kakunhun Menteri Jangka Sarkar Jela Kebalai Kenduk Mentah Kesini Baar Kakat Nyutrik Nopra Kalasi Mekarai Banra Deka Resolution Hak Yang Dorbar Tawaan Kejela Ban Pentreka Meka Inline Permit Hak Kejela Menteri Rang Ba Kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma Bekran Hilat Patai Kubor Uloong Ba Kakunhun Menteri Kalasi Mekarai Banra Deka Resolution Ban Pentreka Meka Inline Permit Hak Kejela Meghalaya Leng Ba Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Kat Praspa Nyapulai Nalor kaniu dia thuru bak sarkar kala menjer ban penjelan ya ka sampai trekam jang director ka Sainik Welfare Board u Colonel Gautam Kumar Rai hagaba unyok ban peteng ya ka jing syakri sa Arsnem u Konrad Kongkal Sangma u ongru bak sarkar kala ajing menjer ya ka jing penkre ki kendon trekam jang ka Meghalaya Environment Protection and Restoration Fund.
So basically, there were three decisions that were taken in the cabinet today. The first decision was regarding the extension of Colonel Gautam Kumar Rai, retired as director of Sainik Welfare Board, and the cabinet has decided to extend his services for another 2 years. The second decision that was taken in the cabinet was regarding the finalization of the guidelines for the operation of the Meghalaya Environment Protection and Restoration Fund. This is the MEPRF fund. So these guidelines have been pending, and today the government has, the cabinet has cleared those guidelines, and based on that, we will be implementing this particular. We'll be implementing and utilizing the funds that are available there. Third was that the cabinet has unanimously decided to clear the resolution to implement the inner line permit in the state of Meghalaya under the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act 1873, and this will be taken up. This government resolution will be taken up on the 19th, day after tomorrow.